So this is the Peace and Happiness Garden. It's the history of the garden. Now you're going to have Les Dawson's statue, seating area. And it's nice and peaceful around here. So yeah, you've got Les Dawson's statue there. So you've got a lovely sheltered seating area there. Got a bench there as well. There's some more information. There's some information. There's some celebrities up here in this seated area. So you've got Jenny Eclair. She's a comedian, author and actress. And you've got Joseph Lockie. And of course, George Formby. I'll read. So there's quite a lot of history of celebrities in Lytham St Anne's. And another little seating area there. And then got some more here. Of course, that's Les Dawson, which is a statue. I'm going to take you to Bobby Ball's statue as well. Mandy Barry, I remember her from Coronation Street. Elmer Barlow. And Roy Harper. So yeah, so this is garden. So there's this plaque up here. It's about the garden, sensory garden. It was opened in 30th of June 2009. So yeah, and then we've got the gold medal winners, St Anne's in Bloom. Right, I'm going to now show you St Anne's Pier. We've got fish and chips there, got the Pier Cafe. Got Beach Shop, of course it's middle of November, so of course a lot of it won't be open. So the clock there. Yeah, so you've got the ice cream shop as well. Looks like they've got arcade as well, amusements. Right, so this is the amusements. Got donuts stand there, but of course what the other because there's no in there. And you've got the Pier Cafe. then you've got a step, you've got a ramp for disabled. Got toilets down there as well. You've got different machines. So it's 2p machines. Got hungry hippos there. Look at that view. Next floor. Monopoly, out of order. Quite a big amusement place. I didn't expect it to be so big. Not seen that one before. Demolition. And you do get tickets here for prizes as well. Should we have a nosy what the prizes are? You've got a little range of choice. So you've got cups, saucers, plates, sorry, bowl, cutlery, unicorn, beer. Sweeties, lots of sweeties. Got tubs of sweets there as well. Yeah. And then you got little motorbike parks. That's as far as we can go, I'm afraid. Looks like it's all shut. So, you can't go past these benches. Yeah, brilliant. A nice gentleman has let me free to come out so I can show you the rest of the pier. Look at that view. Beautiful. Yeah, apparently it's because it's quiet, that's why it's blocked off. We've got all these different games here. Not seen that one before either. And then, of course, in the summer, those area be open. So, got ice cream shop by the looks of it there. And then you got another cafe there as well. But yeah, view's lovely. Oh, I hope you enjoyed having a look what the pier's like. Let's see. Not just sitting out there in the summer. Beautiful sunshine on a cold November day. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed that. And this is the Pier Cafe. This is our menu. I've ordered the ham double egg and chips. And you've got all these cakes. You've got chocolate cake there, bakewell, fruit slice. You've got flapjack. And you've got this range of sandwiches as well. They look quite filling them as well. Please. So yeah, got a good range of drinks. And of course this is the egg and chips, proper chippy chips. Ham off the bone. And the beautiful runny eggs as well. Davina McCaw's even visited this cafe. Shop. Which ain't open. And freeze-dried candy.
You go in there. Go into this one.
And then you've got this Sunday bar. There's ice creams. So those are different flavoured ice creams as well. Rhubarb custard, that's a new one. Never heard of that one. So yeah, all different varieties. So yeah, that was St Anne's Pier. Hope you enjoyed that. And then you've got the outside of the pier here. You can tell you can't go under that one. Show you a little bit more. So yeah, here you go. So as you can see, those little balcony areas as well. I think I showed you from the inside of the other side, but a lot of them, like that one there, the fencing, barrier, whatever you call it, basically is not attached anymore. On quite a few on the other side, but yeah. And for all those who wants to come by car, you got this Fairhaven Road car park here, and those are your prices, charges, and you've got motorhomes are allowed for 2-night maximum stay as well, or 2 days, and no return within 4 days. And it's the information for horse boxes and trailers as well. And then there's your regulations as well. And of course, Blue Badge holders, 3 hours, free parking. So yeah, I thought you might want that little bit of information if you're interested in coming to Lytham St Anne's by car. And that house there is where George Formby used to live. Sadly, he died in 1961. He was a comedian, actor, singer. The best known song that I know of is when I'm cleaning windows. He was famous for playing his ukulele as well. So yeah, let's take you across the road and show you the blue plaque. So of course this is his blue plaque. So yeah, musical entertainer and comedian. So he lived here till he was 56 when he died in 1961. And he renamed it Geraldine after his wife, bless him. So yeah, so that's his house. Yeah. And here in Lava Gardens we have Bobby Ball. Yeah, the Bobby Ball statue. He died in 2020 in Blackpool Victoria Hospital. Also, he was best known for Cannonball comedy duo. Yeah, so there you go. There's Bobby Ball. 1944 to 1920. Together we'll be okay. Brilliant. It's quite a tall statue, that as well. Yeah. So this is Lava Gardens in Lytham St Anne's. So this is information regarding the cobble clock. And that's it over there. Let's go and take a better look at it, shall we? So this is cobble clock. There is a date there, but I can't see it. The hand is not on there now. That's what that middle bit is. There. But yeah, the hand's been taken away by the looks of it. And then you got fish. Yeah, and loads of pebbles. Stone numbers. So yeah. Probably was a good thing when it had the hands. But still looks nice. And then you got this statue fountain with a fisherman. Definitely different now. I've never seen anything like that before. But yeah. If you enjoyed that video, you know, with a few bits that I've shown you of the statues of Bobby Ball and Les Dawson, the pier. So hope you enjoyed it, and I'll catch you in the next video. Thanks for watching.